moving on. Let's talk about Mamelodi Sundowns. Mamelodi Sundowns. Yeah, Kabuyelo. They made the big signing a striker.
Yeah.
What do you make of that signing?
Now I think Santani Dawa mad. You know.
Okay.
Do you really think Santan their problems is part of the strikers or what? I don't think so.
Yeah.
You always emphasize this thing. They lost Ribeiro, and I think they now is trying to lose the entire formation of the team. Their problem is not a striker. They have the best striker, Orenes. They have Shalulile. They have this guy Motiba.
Yeah.
So why add a striker?
All of them they score.
Why you add a striker at that price?
True.
They signed
Do
him
you
for the
really
sake
need
of
a
it.
striker?
Exactly.
Was a price tag of Mbogazi.
Exactly. Correct. Why? It's just waste of money. Their problem, they know where is it. It's a coaching problem. But so I don't think Sundown have made the right choice. I don't know the player. Maybe I could be talking alien. Maybe the player will come and then prove me wrong. But for now, they don't need that striker. Just wasting money.
Yeah, man. Okay, moving forward, because I can see what the Sundowns is not making you sleep. Moving forward, we saw Orlando Pirates making a big signing.